Every parent wants to give their child the best start in life, and nutrition during the first year can make a lifelong difference. Today, we're sharing something every parent wants to know: the top 7 brain-boosting purees for babies aged 6 to 12 months. Simple foods that support your baby's brain development from the start. If you want your baby to grow smarter, more active, and healthier, stay with me until the end, because the final feeding tips could help you avoid common mistakes many parents don't even realize they're making. Here's something amazing. A baby's brain grows faster during the first year of life than at any other time. During this short window, nutrition plays a powerful role in shaping memory, focus, and learning ability. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful brain-boosting purees made from everyday fruits and vegetables, plus the exact steaming times to help preserve nutrients safely and effectively. And before we begin, if you love practical baby health tips like this, please like this video and subscribe to Smart Health IQ, so you never miss trusted parenting and nutrition guides designed to help your child thrive. Let's get started. 1. Carrot puree, vision and brain support. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants, helping protect developing brain cells while supporting eyesight and immunity. How to prepare: wash and peel 1 medium carrot, cut it into small pieces, and steam for 8 to 10 minutes until very soft. Blend with warm water or breast milk until smooth. For babies 6 to 8 months, keep the texture silky smooth. For 9 to 12 months, a slightly thicker texture works well. 2. Apple puree, brain protection and digestion. Apples contain powerful antioxidants that help protect growing brain cells while supporting gut health, which is closely connected to brain development. How to prepare: peel, core, and chop 1 apple. Steam for 7 to 9 minutes, then blend until smooth. Always steam apples, as raw apples can be difficult for babies to digest safely. 3. Banana puree, natural brain fuel. Bananas are one of the best first foods for babies. They are rich in vitamin B6, essential for brain development and healthy nerve function. How to prepare: choose a fully ripe banana. Peel, slice, and mash with a fork or blend for a smoother texture. Add warm water, breast milk, or formula if needed. No steaming is required. 4. Sweet potato puree, steady brain energy. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that deliver steady energy for a rapidly developing brain. How to prepare: wash, peel, and cube the sweet potato. Steam or boil for 10 to 12 minutes until completely soft. Mash or blend with water or breast milk. Its natural sweetness makes it a favorite for many babies. 5. Avocado puree, healthy brain fats. Avocados are packed with healthy fats essential for building brain cells and strengthening nerve connections. How to prepare: scoop out ripe avocado flesh and mash, or blend directly. No steaming is needed. Add warm water if necessary for a smoother consistency. Best introduced after 6 months. 6. Pumpkin puree, gentle cognitive support. Pumpkin contains vitamin A and antioxidants that help protect brain cells and support cognitive development. How to prepare: wash, peel, and chop the pumpkin. Steam for 8 to 10 minutes, then mash or blend until smooth. It's gentle on the stomach and ideal for evening meals. 7. Pear puree, gentle and easy to digest. Pears are rich in fiber and vitamin C, supporting both brain health and digestion. How to prepare: wash, peel, and chop the pear. Steam for 7 to 8 minutes, then blend into a smooth puree. This is especially helpful for babies experiencing constipation. Important feeding tips every parent should know: introduce only 1 new puree at a time. Wait 2 to 3 days before introducing another new food. Avoid adding salt, sugar, honey, or spices. Always serve food fresh and warm. Adjust texture according to your baby's age and swallowing ability. The journey to a strong, healthy, and confident child begins with the right nutrition. These 7 brain-boosting purees can support your child's learning, memory, and healthy growth during one of the most important stages of life. If you found this helpful, share this video with another parent who cares about their baby's health, and make sure you subscribe to Smart Health IQ and turn on notifications for weekly tips that make parenting smarter and easier. Now tell us in the comments, Sparkles, which puree did your baby love the most?